हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम योर SMurthi। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। ये वीडियो मैं तमिल और अंग्रेजी में भी बनाया हूँ। लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हूँ। आपके तमिल और अंग्रेजी फ्रेंड्स को भी लिंक शेयर कर सकते हो। और आपको किसी की तरफ की आईडी रिलेटेड क्वेरी है तो कमेंट में मैसेज कर सकते हो। मैं आपके क्वेरीज में वीडियो डालना कोशिश करूंगा। ఇదే వీడియో நான் ஹிந்தி மற்றும் தமிழிலும் போட்டிருக்கேன். லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுத்திருக்கேன். நீங்கள் இந்த வீடியோவை ஹிந்தி மற்றும் தமிழில் பார்க்கலாம். மேலும் உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஐடி ரிலேட்டட் query இருந்தால் நீங்கள் கமெண்ட்ல மெசேஜ் பண்ணலாம். நான் உங்களுடைய queriesல வீடியோ போட ட்ரை பண்ணுவேன். I have made the same video in Tamil and Hindi. Link has been shared in description. You can watch this video in Tamil and Hindi as well. And if you have any queries related with ID, you can post a message on comment. I'll try to upload a video on your list. Today we are going to see how we can hide the password in Notepad. For this, first we need to create a text file to store the password, pin and birth date, then the photo to hide the text file in photo, lastly 7-zip software. Let's start the content now. Right click on this page, select new text document, then give the name as secure2.txt, then open this file, then enter the password, email ID like email ID 123 at 123.com. Then the password 1234. Then the birth date 7/6/1990. Then 123 bank pin number 1234. Save the text file. Okay. Next, we are going to zip the secure to txt file. For this, we need to go to 7-zip software, select secure to text file, and add. Archive format should be zip because it's mostly commonly used. We can enter the password if you like. The password I'm entering here as 1234. Re-entering the password as 1234. Click show to show password. Click OK to save. Here you can see that secure2.zip file is now generated. Let's go to the command. Here we are going to be merge my favorite.jpg plus secure2.zip files with the help of this command. Copy space /p space myfavorite.jpg space plus space secure2.zip space then output. Let's go to the command prompt. See the directory path is different from the command prompt. So we need to copy the exact directory. So here you can see like C user. So let's copy the directory path. Then go back to the command prompt. So we need to enter cd double dot to back. Again cd double dot to back. Then paste the command. Before that we need to type cd to open the directory path. So entering cd and pasting the path file path. Okay. Now the path is opened. Copying the command, pasting command prompt. Let's check the command again. Yes, correct. The output format would be secret2.jpg. Okay. After entering the command, the image file called secure2.jpg has been generated. We have opened the file. It's opening as image file. We go back to the 7-zip software to open that secret2.jpg. Here some mistake made. It's not opening the text files. Is opening as a image file. Yeah. So something mistake we made it. Let's troubleshoot the issue. Oh. Here you can see that secure space 2.txt, but in the command prompt you can see secure 2.zip. So I think that's the reason it's not a you know generated the what we required output formats. So let's remove the space from secure 2. Okay, we have removed the space. So and again we can check. So before that we need to delete that secure2.zip files because it's incorrect one. So let's go to delete that secure2.zip files. Okay, let's go to the 7-zip software. Then select secure2.zip file. Click add. Again the archive format would be zip. I'm entering the password as 1234. Click show to show the password. Okay. Now here you can see that secure2.zip file is generated now. Let's check. Okay, it's prompting for the credential. So entering the password as 1234. After entering the password, you can see that the password text file is showing. Okay, so let's um, entering the command, cross checking. Let's check command again. Okay, so everything is good. You can enter. Okay, so now here you can see that secret to .jpg has been created. So after clicking the image file, is opening the image file. Let's go to the 7-zip. Let's click on secret to .jpg. Oh, here you can see that is prompting for password. Right, it's opening as text file. We made it successfully. Thanks friends. For more video like this, please like, subscribe, click on bell icon.